Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo Series DDR5 RAM. Specifically, we're looking at the 64GB kit, which comes as two 32GB sticks, running at a speedy 6000 MHz with timings of 30-36-36-96. This kit is designed for the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors and motherboards, and it boasts AMD Expo certification for easy overclocking. First impressions are always important, and the Trident Z5 Neo doesn't disappoint. The heat spreaders have a sleek, modern design with a brushed aluminum finish and a subtle RGB light bar across the top. It's a premium look that will complement any high-end build. The RGB is also customizable through G.Skill's lighting control software, allowing you to match it with the rest of your system. But aesthetics are only part of the story. The real question is, what does it perform? In short, incredibly well. DDR5 has matured significantly, and this kit takes full advantage of the increased bandwidth and lower latency compared to older DDR5 kits. Setting up the RAM was a breeze. With AMD Expo Profile, enabling the rated speed and timings was as simple as selecting the profile in the BIOS. The system booted without any issues, and we were ready to put it through its paces. We ran a series of benchmarks, including synthetic tests like AIDA64 and real-world applications like gaming and video editing. The results were impressive across the board. In AIDA64, we saw excellent memory bandwidth and low latency, confirming that the kit was running at its advertised speeds. In gaming, the Trident Z5 Neo provided a noticeable boost in performance, especially in CPU-bound titles. We saw higher average frame rates and smoother gameplay overall. The extra memory capacity also came in handy for games with large open worlds and high-resolution textures. Video editing was another area where this kit shined. The 64GB of RAM allowed us to work with large video files without experiencing any slowdowns or stutters. Rendering times were also significantly reduced, making the editing process much more efficient. The G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo is not the cheapest DDR5 kit on the market, but you definitely get what you pay for. The performance is top-notch, the design is stunning, and the AMD Expo certification ensures compatibility and easy overclocking. If you're building a high-end AMD Ryzen 7000 series system and want the best possible memory performance, this kit is definitely worth considering. One thing to keep in mind is that DDR5 is still relatively expensive compared to DDR4. However, if you're already investing in a new CPU and motherboard, it makes sense to go with DDR5 to take advantage of the latest technology. Overall, the G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo 64GB DDR5 kit is an excellent choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone who demands the best possible performance from their system. It's fast, reliable, and looks great. It's hard to ask for more than that.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.